Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can split screen on your iOS 18 in your iPhone. So guys, if you've heard of the new feature split screen which lets you multitask but you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So guys, all you need to do is just go ahead and open the App Store first and look at the lower bar and tap on search. And from there, all you would need to do is tap on split screen. And guys, you can see the split screen dual window right here. This is the app that we need, which is on the dot. Go ahead and tap here and tap on get. This is how the app works. It will let you split screen like this and you can work this way. All you would need to do is just tap on get and download it. Confirm that is you, your Face ID or your password, and it will start downloading. So guys, that's how you split screen in your iPhone iOS 18. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.